Dear teacher, I am Akmal from 10th D. Today, my presentation on Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. What is the meaning of Long Walk to Freedom? Means struggle for freedom from apartheid system. So let us start. History of South Africa. During the 20th century, the black majority sought to claim more rights from the dominant white majority. Following the defeat of Boer in the Anglo-Boer or South African following the defeat of Anglo-Boer or South African War 1899 to 1902, the Union of South Africa was created as a self-governing dominion of British Empire on 31 May 1910 in the term of South Africa Act 1909, which amalgamated the four previously separate British colonies: Cape Colony, Colony of Natal, Transvaal Colony and Orange River Colony. The country became a fully sovereign nation in the state within the British Empire in 1934 following enactment of Status of Union Act. The monarchy became to end on 31 May 1961, replaced a republic as a consequence of a 1960 referendum, which legitimatized the country become a Republic of South Africa. Now the apartheid system impact on South African people. Apartheid was a political and social system in South Africa during the era of white majority rule. It enforced racial discrimination amongst non-whites, mainly focused on skin color and facial features. This existed in the 20th century from 1948 until the earlier 1990th century. Under this system, the people of South Africa were divided by their race and different races were forced to live separately from each other. The apartheid system in South Africa was abolished in 1994 when a new constitution was ratified which abolished the previous system of segregation. Now, a short biography on Nelson Mandela. A Xhosa speaker, Mandela was born to Tambo royal family in the Mawezo Union of South Africa. He studied law at the University of Fort Hare and the University of Witwatersrand before the working as a lawyer in the Johannesburg. There, he became involved in anti-social and African nationalist politics, joining the ANC in 1943 and co-founding its youth league in 1944. After the National Party's white-only government established apartheid, a system of racial segregation that privileged white. He and the ANC committed themselves to its overthrow. The struggle of Nelson Mandela freedom to end of apartheid and establish non-racial government. 18 July 1914 to 5 December 2013 was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary, political leader and philanthropist who served as a president of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He was the country's first black president, black head of the state and the first elected in fully representative democratic election. His government focused on dismantling the legacy of apartheid by tackling institutionalized racism, racism and the fostering racial reconciliation ideologically and African nationalist and the socialist. He served as a president of South Africa National and Congress ANC party from 1991 to 1997. The creation of Rainbow Nation. Rainbow Nation as a spoken metaphor of South Africa unity and uniquely, although not deliberately represented by the South African flag, which sports six colors. The Republic of South Africa is referred to as a rainbow nation to describe the unity of various cultures, racial or ethnic groups in the country during the post-apartheid era after 1994 compared to earlier divisions based on skin color. This is the significance of a rainbow nation. Now let us see some quotes of Nelson Mandela. First is, if people can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite. Nelson Mandela. Now second one is, I learned that courage was not absence of fear, but the triumph over it. To deny people their human right is to challenge their very humanity. Thank you.